guys! Welcome to Coco Kids Club. Oh, I'm sorry. I should be quiet. Coconut and I are watching the super cool new Incredibles 2. Have you watched it yet? Press like if yes. Coco seems to like it a lot. He looks so fascinated by it, doesn't he? Wait a minute. What's that in the popcorn? Wow, it's a winning ticket! Coco has won a mystery lottery. So exciting. Let's check out what we won. Wow, just look! It's the famous spin the wheel game. Coco, you really are a lucky dog. Subscribe to our channel right now and let's see what super duper blind bags are waiting for us in this game. So, our heroes are Mrs. Incredible or Elastigirl, Violet, Baby Jack Jack, Mr. Incredible, Dash, and one mystery character from another movie. That's interesting. I'll give you 2 hints. She has a little brother named George, and she likes adventure. Any ideas? Give us a big thumbs up if you already know who it is. Are you ready to spin the wheel and see all the mysterious blind bags hidden under the Incredibles 2 pictures? Spin the wheel! Wow, the Incredibles wheel is so colorful. And it's Mrs. Incredible or Elastigirl. I'm so curious to see what is hidden under her picture. It's a Surprise-imals! Ooh, just look what a cute red penguin we've got. It is so adorable, isn't it? Hey Coco, meet our new friend. Hey, I'm Penguin. No, don't eat me. It's time for the second spin. I wonder who's going to be next. Spin the wheel. And it's Dash, the super runner. Let's find out what he prepared for us. OMG, it's a Jurassic World blind bag. So cool. Let's see what's inside. Wow, it's the famous Stegosaurus. Unbelievable. It's Coco's favorite dinosaur from the movie. Do you like dinosaurs too? Tell us all about it in the comments below. I think Coco likes him too. Let's go ahead. Spin the wheel. Guys, which character do you want to open next? Maybe the mysterious one? And it landed on Violet. What will Violet the Incredible bring us? It's a blind bag with a secret Smurf surprise. Wow, I love Smurfs. So who's inside? And it's Hefty Smurf. He's one of the main characters. He is heroic, brave, and adventurous, just like our Coco. Coco, stop eating the toys we have won. Spin the wheel! This Incredibles 2 Spin the Wheel game is so exciting, isn't it? Subscribe if you like it too. We will play more cool games together. And it's Baby Jack Jack, the cutest little Incredible. What have you prepared for us, cutie? OMG, it's a Coco blind bag. But it's not about our dear friend Coco, it's about the Coco movie. And here we've got Mama Coco. She is supportive and kind-hearted. I like her. Who's next? Mr. Incredible or our mysterious character? Let it be the mysterious character. Mysterious character. No, it's Mr. Incredible. Okay, no problem. Let's look at the Mr. Incredible surprise first. Wow, it's a super cool smooshy mushy blind bag. What's inside? Just look at what an amazing teeny tiny squishy we've got. It looks like a smiling poop emoji. Sure, Coco, sure. No worries. I'll put it in our Coco Kids Club collection, not in my collection. Well, the last spin. And finally, we'll open our mysterious character from the other movie. It's so intriguing. Who will it be? We know that this character has a little brother called George and likes adventures. And it's Peppa Pig, of course. It's a blind bag. Minions? Wow, we all like Minions. Let's see if we have a rare Minion toy. Do you know what this is? Oh, I know! This is the challenge card game Clown Jerry. The Incredibles 2 Spin the Wheel game is so cool. I love it. It's so much fun. Guys, do you like it too? Write in the comment section below. So, we've got a Stegosaurus, the cute red penguin, the minion clown Jerry, Mama Coco, a tiny poop emoji squishy, and Hefty Smurf. Tell us in the comments below which toy you like best and who your favorite character from The Incredibles 2 is. Subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so that you will never miss out on super cool new videos. Coco is waiting for each one of you. See ya!